Right, this is my Makita DGA900 9-inch cutting angle grinder. It has two 18-volt batteries. I'm going to show how good it is at cutting through concrete slabs. So that's the water on, just keep the dust down. I'll get rid of it. So I just turned up the water. That's that. The grinder don't get wet one bit having the water on it. That's it, it's a really good tool. That slab is the hardest thing I ever cut. Normally cut roof tiles. But yeah, it's did it alright. Alright, with the two 4-amp batteries, I cut about 25 roof tiles normally on one lot, on one charge. So it's a really good tool. It's not much different to having a 240 volt one.